Hey, how's it going, everybody? This is Gentry Castleberry here. I took the Forex Beginners Academy with Solid. It was a really good course. I'm very excited to jump into the journey. It's been fun. The training has been thorough. Before I learned this, it only took me about a week and a half to learn the material. I did 8 hours a day every single day, so I was able to get through it pretty quickly. Actually, in the process of going through the training again to pick up anything that I missed. But the biggest hurdle with me was the support and resistance. For the life of me, couldn't understand that part. I went through a lot of gurus. They kept telling you the same nonsense over and over and over again. But in this course, I was able to find the proper training for support and resistance. So I'm pretty excited about that. My other hurdle was the candlesticks. I kind of had an idea of actually how the candlesticks worked, but the way it was broken down in this course, it was like no other. I am very excited to jump in. I placed about 65 or so demo trades. I've been very active just to really grasp this and to understand this. I'm about to start the 50 trade challenge to see how that goes. I'm really excited to learn this and to make this happen. But Saad, I owe you one. You are a very thorough teacher, and I am just ready to jump in.